Welcome back to the DOGFATHER'S Toys. Today I've been talking about it, and I'm going to work my first model in like 25 years. I'm going to I'm not going to show you every step of what put it together because that'd be boring, but I'll give you some highlights of what I've done up to a certain point. And I chose the Space 1999 Eagle. For some of you who don't know anything about this, it was a TV show in the mid 1970s. It dealt with the moon being blasted out of Earth orbit due to a nuclear explosion caused by nuclear waste, and hurled the moon into far reaches of space. So there's a brief summary. Okay, skill level 2, ages 10 and up. Well, I think I qualify. It does not come with glue. And it says it's got aluminum meshed metal parts, 4 engine bells, 4 passenger pod, and I don't know, fancy words. And it comes with a stand, it looks like, and that's what the Eagle looked like on the show. So let's open it up and see what I'm getting myself into. Okay, we got the instructions. Oh, one thing before I go any farther, okay, the usual speech. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment, give me a like on YouTube. That means that thumb up button at the bottom of the video. Leave a comment. So, back to the show. But this is it don't look so hard. I mean, I'm not a rocket scientist, but I'm building a rocket. Yeah, I know. Bad joke. Let's see. And there's everything. I'm sorry I'm quiet, I'm just reading. But what I am going to try to do, I'm going to try to put polar lights in. Now, when I did models as a kid with my father, they didn't have polar lights, so this would be a new one for me. I'm going to try to light up the cockpit and the area right here. That's if they have clear. And here's your decals. And here's all the little packages. The base with a screw. Well, and I'll figure it out. And here's all the other stuff. And I'm gonna work on this probably tomorrow, because okay, okay, what does it say here? You paint the inside of the engines black. The Moonbase Alpha, which was the name of the base, goes right there. And you can paint the workspace orange for VIP pod, or red and white for rescue. And I guess this is the decal. And let's see, what's this? Paint. Yeah, this is all the paint you gotta do. I'm just looking to see if there's any clear parts. But I'm hoping that it comes out good, because I've got some more models I ordered that I want to try to do. Okay, there's the cargo thing. And that's what there's, well, I guess maybe you can't put lights in it, because it looks like the windows are blackened out, or one solid piece. And unless you got a piece of clear plastic, it just ain't gonna work right. And there's a lot of work and trimming, and if you ain't got the clear spot, you just got a big hole. Yeah, I'm looking at the cockpit. Yeah, this won't be polarized, so it's just going to be a plain model. We'll do, well, I like to put lights in it, but let's see, these are the decals. Okay. Well, thought I'd give everybody a heads up what my projects are going to be. For now, next Friday I'll be taking off. I'll be posting. I might post a video from Knoxville, Tennessee to the Fan Expo, or I might just wait till I get home. It all depends. I got a Chromebook. I've never tried editing with it yet, so I want to work on that during the week and get ready to go to Knoxville. I want to meet some celebrities, like Jay and the two guys that played Jay and Silent Bob, Lindsay Wagner, Lee Majors again. I can't think of his name, but he plays Moff Gideon on Mandalorian, or did play. And the guy that played the Highlander on TV. And that'll be at next Friday. And I got tickets for 2 days. Me and my two grandsons, we're going to go over there. And on the way home, we might visit the Titanic Museum in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. All depends how I feel. But I want to give a shout out to what is the name of that? I am so bad with names, but I think Hold on for a minute. I'm sorry about this. See, I'm looking up on my phone. I want to give a shout out to somebody. Let's see, creeper. You. Sorry about. Okay, here we go.
Hey y'all, my name is Tiara, and a little thing that I love about the Chick-fil-A spicy chicken biscuit.
This is far and away the most dangerous thing we've ever attempted. The motorcycle.
It's this channel. I'm trying to find the name of the channel. Maybe you want to give him a shout out. Watch some of his stuff. It's Star Trek Fans NCC 1701. And turn the volume down. And his name is Jerry Borgett. I hope I'm saying that right. He's a really good YouTuber, and if you're into Star Trek models, he does Star Trek models. He's working on a Titanic, the Olympia, all kinds of models, but mostly Star Trek. So go over there and check him out. I don't get paid for this, so I'm not getting no compensation from it. But he's a really good guy. I started watching this because of his Star Trek models, and that's what put the fire back under me wanting to do models. So give him just check him out. He's a really good guy. He knows what he's doing. And until the next time, bye-bye.